today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing because I received a box from FabFItFun. I thought it'd be nice to film it. It is a little bit hard for me to film with the ring light because the ring light does bother me sometimes. If you haven't been updated, I have been getting a lot of headaches lately, and it's hard for me to be in front of my ring light of a screen. My head right now doesn't hurt. It hasn't been hurting for 3 days now, which is good. Still have to see my doctor, which is going to be soon, so I'll keep you guys updated on that, and I'll be moving in a little bit at my pace. I don't want to rush things. With that being said, let's just jump into the video and enjoy this box. So I have not opened this box yet. I got it yesterday. That's a lot of willpower right there. This is my first time. This is just the starter box. A friend of mine asked me if I wanted the starter box, and I was like, yeah, please. You know who you are, Veronica. Thank you. And it says, warning, the products in this box may cause excitement. Normally they give you 8 full-size products, but this is the starter box. I only paid for shipping, so we'll see what this box brings. Is it worth it? Alright. So we have a magazine and it says, are we friends yet? I don't know. Let's see. So I'm getting 4 full-size products in this box. Anyways, so as always, whoa, what is this? This I think is like a blanket, but right now, really quick, I see here Kate Somerville. I think I tried Trooper. He's playing with the paper that's falling. Here, go play. Kate Somerville, I've heard about this brand and I've tried, I think, a sample. This is the Skin Health Experts. Then I got here the Lavido Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion. Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. Then here I see a Nail and Cuticle Serum. Yes! I so need that. My cuticles dry so much, so fast. I can't wait to try this. And last but not least, what is this? So this is the Mark & Graham Personalized Gifts. It's a color block throw-in gray/ivory. So the first little guy is the Kate Somerville. It says, this cult favorite product uses both physical and chemical exfoliation to improve the appearance of skin, texture, and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I can't wait to try this. This says, apply a thin, even layer to a clean, wet face. You know what? I guess I'll try. So there's gonna be 2 videos on this. There's gonna be the video of me showing you guys the stuff, and then another video applying it. Oh, I have a better idea. Let me know if you guys want to see Instagram live video of me exfoliating my face. Does it have a smell? Oh, it's green. It smells like something. Oh, it has papaya fruit, but I don't know if you can smell the papaya. I smell more honey. It has a lot of things. Fruit oil. It has citrus. It does smell citrusy. This little guy retails for $75. It is recommended to use AM or PM. Use once or twice a week. This product may cause the skin to tingle and flush slightly for a short time. So I guess it might be like a fresh minty kind of situation there going on. That's what I also smell. Like kind of minty. Remember, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see an Instagram live video seeing this little guy. The next product is the Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum. It's by the brand, it doesn't say here, but on the paper, the brand is called Way of Will. It says, a nail and cuticle serum specially designed to moisturize nails while protecting the cuticle against dryness and damage. Our serum contains antioxidants and emollient-rich meadowfoam, argan oil, and vitamin E. These hydrate and soften skin while also protecting against moisture loss and inflammation. Ooh, lavender, antibacterial, geranium, moisturize, and ylang-ylang, strengthen reinforcer. Wow, this little guy is very tiny. I don't know if this is a full size. I don't think I'm getting full sizes. Am I getting full sizes? So I checked online. This is the full size. It has 0.33 fluid ounces. It has a dropper. Oh, it is made in Canada. It has definitely a lavender smell. Oh my god, it retails for $24, so it better hella work. It's very little. Apply 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily. Reapply as needed. You know what? Just that 1 drop and just spread it on the rest of your fingers. They look different. Well, they look hydrated. They don't look dry. That one drop was so much. It's so hydrating. Honestly, I've actually been waiting for something like this. I used to have a pen that hydrated my cuticles. I was from Avon. But it worked, okay? Next, we have the Lavido Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamo. This one says, hydrate, nourish, and protect. The deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and is formulated for all skin types. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Massage over clean, damp skin until absorbed. The ingredients from a certified organic source. Oh my god, it does smell good. It has shea butter, so you have to massage. It smells so good. It smells like citrusy with like the cucumber nair cream. And it left my skin very shiny, hydrated without being sticky. So I like that. I don't like when my skin stays sticky after you apply lotion. It has 4.05 fluid ounces. So this little guy retails for $19. This is the full size. Next is the, oh, it's a little throw. The fabric is 100% acrylic. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool fringe detailing. Ooh. Oh, a William Sonoma ink brand. It's so soft, guys. So size is approximately 50 inches times 60 inches. This is so perfect. It's like a pashmina. It's so soft. See? Just do this. It's so nice. I like it. Like even if you're on the couch and you want a little blanket too. Okay, so this softy little guy is $49. It's a woven throw. This is what I got in my starter box. This is just basically a taste of what I would get if I were to become a FabFitFun member, which I don't know if I will. I really love all the products that I got, and this is just like 4 of them. I think it is worth it. So I just want to give you guys a little bit more of information. I've seen the ads on Snapchat. I see them a lot of the FabFitFun box. I know you get 8 full-size products, but I didn't know how it worked exactly. My friend kind of explained to me a little bit, and also she told me the Canadian price, which is almost $80 for Canadian price. Obviously, if you're in the US, it'll be cheaper. So it is a seasonal box. Every season there's a new box. Like I said, you get 8 full-size products, and the value total comes to around $200 for only $50. In this case, if you wanted to order, you could get the fall box. These products that I just showed you are some of their top rated products, and my box valued at $167. This was a starter box. I only paid for shipping, which is pretty good. So how it works: you order, you become a member, and for just $50 each season, so fall, winter, spring, summer, you'll get the box filled with 8 to 10 full-size premium products valued at over $200. You can also customize your box. Each season, choose some products and add-ons you want in your box, or just keep it a surprise. So $50 doesn't sound bad American, but making it Canadian, I don't know how she got $80 from $50. Probably like customs shipping. So it's just a lot more for us, which kind of sucks because I really like all the items that I got, and I wish that I would. Maybe in a possible future, once I get rich, I'll subscribe to the FabFitFun. But for now, this will be the only video from FabFitFun box. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do an Instagram live doing a mask. Anyways, guys, this concludes the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know, what do you guys think about the FabFit, the triple F. Oh my god, I don't know. It's such a weird name, the FabFitFun. It's like tongue twisting. So let me know what you guys think about the box. If you guys like this video and you guys like the items in the box, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye! This comes in a good time. Oh, well, yeah, it's a fall box. Oh, duh, Yesmy. Yeah, it's, oh my god, it's a piece of paper. What, Tripper? What are you doing? I'm filming right now. No! Moisturize nails while protecting... Shh, Tripper, mommy's filming. Or, dermatology... The delicious. Oh my god. The dish. I'm so sleepy now. Nevered. Is that even a fucking word? Alright, I am tired.